Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh. Can you hear me?
Alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
I hope you're doing good. I have a
Alhamdulillah.
question regarding my non-mahram teacher. We study online, and when I study with her, I try my best to lower my gaze and not to talk about things that are unneeded to talk about. I took her advice and went straight to the point when talking to her and only focusing on things that matter, such as the subject. The thing is, sometimes when I do not understand a math problem, she explains it to me and shows me how to do it via video camera, where she shows me her hand. Female's hand is a part of an aura, and the thing is, I'm not sure what to do. I know a male teacher would be better, but I'm not sure if my parents will go to the full extent to find me a math teacher. Is it for me, and what advice can you give me?
First of all, if this is a private tutor, then definitely you're sinful for choosing a female to teach you. There are gazillion male teachers out there that could teach you maybe better. If this is a teacher that you're forced to study under due to the fact that this is what the uni provided you with, or your school, or you have no other choice, this is not by choice, this is forced upon you. In this case, you do not look at her hands when she's explaining something to you. I don't know why would she use the camera to explain something by hand other than writing. So if she's writing something, you look at the writing, not at the hand. But if she's doing sign languages and says 3 + 4 is 7, I hope, then you have a problem in your learning ability. So don't look at her hands and just focus on what she's writing and fear Allah. And remember, Allah is watching you at all times.